Hello, my name is Jojolistic Jojo, and in this video, I will be talking about how you can have a gorgeous looking complexion. Yes, how you can have a skin that every man and woman out there are jealous of. You know, you take a walk on the road and the whole neck of people around you is turning just to take a look at you. It's not because you're funny actually, or maybe because you pull on yourself. No. But because you have a beautiful, gorgeous looking complexion that people are jealous. Yes, I tell you, they're gonna feel envious of your skin if you try the steps in this video. Okay, that's enough. Now let's get down to business. The most important of this procedure is what I should probably tell you first. Yes, do you know what is it? Eating right. Eating right is the biggest and the most important thing that you can do for your skin. So one important advice, you must get this process right. She's got a very gorgeous looking skin, which I know you are certainly envious of. Okay, as I said before, I'm talking about using raw honey. All you have to do is tap some raw honey on your wet face, then massage for just a minute and rinse off with water. Yes, get some raw honey. You can get that from a supermarket near you. Then dab it on your face, massage it on it, leave it for a few minutes. After which you just rinse it with water. Remember, I said wet face, not dry face. Make sure you apply it just for a minute and rinse it off with water. Now listen, there is this top secret for getting the best out of the process. Do you want to hear? Okay, listen. Now if you have an oily skin, ex-prone or combination skin, you can mix oatmeal or any fruit like strawberry, blueberry or orange with the honey, especially berries, to get. Yeah, and if you have a very dry skin or just a dry skin like my wife, you just use papaya, pawpaw, guava, or you can make use of peach. Yes, all you need to do is mix it with honey and massage on your skin, then wash off after a minute. All you need to do is get all this, whichever one you are using, just put that in a blender, blend and mix with honey, then apply on your face. After 1 minute, rinse off. Alright, that's the end of the lesson for today. And make sure you repeat this process consistently at least once every week. And before I go, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can know when I put up a new video. Also, do not forget to visit my blog at healthandbeautychannel.blogspot.com. The address of my blog is displayed on the screen. Thank you.